To update Trust Wallet Face ID login, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed to avoid any compatibility issues. Navigate to the Settings menu, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. Depending on your device, click on this icon to access the settings options. From the Settings menu, select the Security option, which may be labeled as Security or Biometric Authentication. This will take you to a page where you can manage your biometric login settings, including Face ID. On the Biometric Authentication page, look for the option to enable or update Face ID. If you have previously set up Face ID, you may see an option to update or reset your Face ID settings. Select this option to proceed. You will then be prompted to authenticate using your device's Face ID feature. Look into the camera and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authentication process. Once you have successfully authenticated, you will be given the option to update your Face ID settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the update process, which may involve rescanning your face or confirming your identity. After updating your Face ID settings, return to the Settings menu and verify that the changes have been saved. You can test your new Face ID settings by logging out of the app and attempting to log back in. Using Face ID. Best practices for updating Trust Wallet Face ID login include ensuring your device's Face ID feature is enabled and up to date, using a secure and private environment when updating your biometric settings, and being cautious when allowing access to your device's camera and biometric data. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully update your Trust Wallet Face ID login and enjoy enhanced security and convenience when accessing your digital assets.